Hi everyone, today I'm outside joined by my cat, hey cat, and I'm gonna hunt down some strawberries to make strawberry milk because I've never had strawberry milk, though I've had strawberry soy milk, which I guess is also possible to make this way. Oh, that was cat, but I feel like she might join me to the garden. Let's go! I have this really big bowl, I have neighbors with dogs, and I have a little stalky cat. I think I just found the biggest strawberry ever in our garden. This hot mess is our strawberry field, and there's a lot. Oh yeah, it's bad. I'm not outside anymore because it started raining and I did that bunch of cooking and stuff, which honestly was quite a long, tedious process, but I hope it's worth it. At least it looks really cute. I've never had strawberry milk, but the concept just sounded so good. I really like strawberries, kind of like milk. You could also do this with soy milk, by the way. Totally, or almond milk or whatever milk you like. That's not actually milk, but I'm gonna try this. I really like the strawberries on top because if you move it, they move with it. And I think overall it's a really cute beverage, but we'll see. That's actually really good. Okay, so the thing is, you can also just make lemonade with the syrup you made. And honestly, you can kind of do that with whatever fruit. Though I wouldn't recommend bananas, because that would be mushy and weird. But this is really good. Be sure to, if you are getting some cut up strawberries in there, that you have big straws so that you can really choke on your strawberries, because otherwise they're not going to come through the straw and your straw is going to become obstructed, and that's not nice. And this way you can accidentally choke on one.